Hey guys, happy Thursday, Friday Eve. I want to pop in here with a quick warning on the markets, and that is that we continue higher. Markets look bullish, but we're lacking on volume, so we don't have conviction to the upside. And what I mean by that is, if you were to do the math, I'm not going to take the time to do it here now, but visually you can see that this is what we wanted to break. We've broken it a couple of days, but on lighter volume. I always look to the bottom of the page of a chart and look down here and see we didn't even do average volume yesterday. And today we're woefully short, right? So there's not a lot of volume up here. That means technically it could come all the way back down here and retest this if it wanted to. Not be nothing wrong with it, but the confirmed breakout is not there. There's no confirmation of the upside. When there is a confirmation to the upside, then the projected price move from here will be 687. That'll be huge. Same thing with the QQQs. It's not ready either. I mean, it continues to push higher. It's been great, but you can see the volume down here is lacking. We haven't even done average on the 20-day average for the past couple of days all week, and it was really woefully short today. So just a word of caution. You look at stocks like Tesla. We were all excited about Tesla, right? Tesla was great, but a bearish engulfing bar today is very bearish. So we came down on volume. So short term, I have this line here. I think it might come back down and retest this. Perfectly healthy, by the way. Tesla wants higher. We're bullish the entire market, and we're bullish stocks, but you have to know where it's going to go first. So it might come down and retest this 425 and go back up. That's the number we're watching, and we'll see what happens from there. But we're bullish on Tesla and bullish on the market as a whole. You look at the end of the year, I think we're going to run into the end of the year. It's just October that's a little suspect. What stocks are going to continue to lead the market? Look at Apple. It is just poised, ready to go. It's just toying around with this right here. And next up for Apple is 260. It would complete a prior move. But then once it breaks 260, which I don't have marked here, it'll go to 305. So there are a couple of projected price moves there that are just queuing up, ready to go. Nvidia, same thing. Nvidia broke out. It technically is confirmed. It wants 224. Hang on to it if you're in it. Lam Research, it broke out on volume. Projected price move for this is 176, I think. I wrote it down here. No, 146. 146. We hit it. We hit it. So you wouldn't be hanging out now. But the A to B equals C to D here was 146. We actually hit the projected price move. If you own this stock, you'd probably take a little bit off because it usually does something else. You look at Palantir. Palantir's getting ready. It's better to see this in the weekly. So Palantir, you're waiting for it to cross this. I think it's 190. When it breaks out from the 190, projected price move for Palantir is 266. So that'd be a nice move. There's no reason again to trade this here. You wait for it to break out, and once it does, it goes. Same thing for Hood, right? Hood, it is broken out. It's heading higher, and projected price move for Hood 176. So if you took it, you want to take a little bit off. We're not in Hood. That's why I had to look up the number that I wrote down here in the back of an envelope. But 176 is the projected price target. You want to start to scale out of it a little bit. Other than that, kind of looking at the financials, I don't know what's going on with financials. Are the financials starting to roll over? On the weekly, yeah, they're not really doing anything. You look here in the daily, and you can see that they've kind of pulled back a little bit. They've lost momentum, if nothing else. I'm not sure what happens with those. Other stocks, we're just waiting for them to break out. Right, we're waiting for Meta. It's a no look, no touch right now. It's just churning. We want to take out the highs, and there's a much higher projected price move when that happens. Same thing with Amazon. It's just hanging out, right? Not ready to go yet. Stocks will go when they're ready to go, and these aren't ready to go yet. So we've gone over the ones that are moving right now, and hope that helps in terms of the S&P 500 where it's going. Again, one more time, in terms of the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Just be cautious because volume is kind of dying on the vine. We need a lot of volume to continue to push this higher. It can still go higher, by the way, without volume, but it's not confirmed, and that makes it a riskier trade. So we're being careful. Stick to winners and make sure you have stops in place. So hope that helps. Thanks. Have a good night.